Called Francesco Boas, an American singer-songwriter, the lead vocalist of pop rock band Maroon 39. He was voted as the most popular lead vocalist in this year, with a lot of prize guaranteed. Coach Pepsi, a French house music producer and disc jockey. He was voted as the first DJ in the DJ Mag Top 100 poll and well-known DJ in all around the world. Welcome to The Voice TU. I'm Pep, the host of The Voice TU. Today, we proudly present our first contestant. He is a perfect man with a sexy voice. So let's see which song he will choose today. Hello everybody, my name is Song. I graduated at Cambridge University. In my routine, I love to sing a song very much. I have a dream. I want to keep money to learn at University of Yale. I want to be a CEO because I want to sell pork ball. Today I'm really excited, but I will do best. Okay. I will do for my family and for my village. That waiting to watch this show. Yeah. Welcome to The Voice TU. How are you feeling now?
Today I'm very excited, but I will do best for my family and for my village.
Oh, that's good. What do you want to show today?
I want to show about sing a song with my guitar that I love so much.
Oh, with your guitar?
Yes.
Oh, yes, that's good. Which team do you want to be your coach today?
Oh, I think I don't sure, but I wish just little bit minutes for decided at that time.
Oh, it will be the hard decision for you.
Yes. Because it's to coach, to commentator is so good, very good too.
They are the well-known coach, you know that. If you win the contest, what are you doing with your 1 million baht money?
Yes, I want to open the store about pork ball.
Horse ball?
I want to sell pork ball.
That's okay. So, okay, good luck on yours today and do your best today.
Yes.
The Lord that I always tell that. He always tell that.
Hey, you have to join my team.
Oh. I want just little bit minute for decide.
What do you have to think? You just choose me.
Oh.
You know who I am. You know.
Actually, my parents love you because you are the famous singer.
No. Don't believe your parents.
But
Don't believe them.
but my friend's name's Mike. Love you.
Wow.
Let's believe
You
your
are the
friends.
good personality and you are smart.
Okay, I know that. Thank you.
If you believe your mom, they will power you. Your parents will power you. You have to join my team.
Okay. Cheap thinking. You know he is crazy.
Okay. I can decide it. Yeah, I can decide it.
You are a star. I see you. I can see you in the future that you are a superstar and a billionaire. But all of it. You have to stay with me. You have to be in my team.
Hey, if you come with me, my concert with your guitar is very good. You know,
Yes.
worldwide concert. We will.
I can't decide it.
Hey, I have to you and me tour around the world.
Okay.
London, LA, New York.
Okay.
You can't think about it.
Okay, Tom. It's time. You have to choose one of us. Now,
Okay.
up to you.
I can decide it right now. I want to choose.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is very good for me. It's an idol for me.
Hey,
Okay.
Don't be bad, friend. Okay, thank you to be in my team.
Okay. Thank you.
See you.
See you next week.
hey.
Congratulations, Tom. That was a very good show today.
Okay, thank you.
But I want one question to ask you. Why do you choose Coach Pep Z?
Because he is a good personality and he looks smart.
Oh, that's a very good choice, I think.
Yes. Finally, I want to thank for my coach, my village, and my family that cheer me and give a power for me to show a good show.
So, okay, thank you, and good luck on your next show.
Thank you.
Thank you.
จะได้ยินเสียงรอสายแบบว่าให้รอแต่เมื่อนี้จะได้ยินเสียงใจบอกว่า